Hey, today is an unboxing video for a Galaxy S21 5G. The gray version just came in the mail fresh today. So let's open it up. Two of these. Alright, funky fresh. Tabs right here. The different design cameras here. Let's see what's in the box. That's it. Everybody's following iPhone nowadays, so SIM removing tool. Then we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Doesn't say anything about watts or whatnot, but I have extra ones from previous phones, like they said. I'm gonna keep this in the box. Quick start guide. Don't think I'll need that either, so put them back where they came from. Doesn't come with anything else, so there you go. That goes in here. This box is pretty nice and thin. That goes in here. The phone, I like it. Pretty thin. I used to use an S8, S9, so there's a tab right here. Do open that, but not the one under it. There's two layers on top here. So one is the plastic, the other one is the actual screen protector. So I don't know if you can see it here. There's two layers under here. So make sure you don't remove that one. There's one in the back. I'm probably gonna keep it here for a bit, and there is one layer right above the camera as well, so do take that off before you start taking pictures. And you do have to remove it or cut it off because the charging port is right there. There is nothing up here. Looks like two mic or speaker or sensors up here. The volume up and down is right there on this side. And the power, so they finally got rid of the Bixby button, so there's nothing on this side. And my SIM card goes at the bottom here now. So that's it. You guys wanted to see a S21 unboxing video? Now you have. Thanks for watching. Bye.